In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier invoice or bill on Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a supplier bill so your accounts payable, cash flow, and reporting stay accurate and up to date. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Purchases. This is where all bills and supplier related activity live, so it's the best place to begin whenever you receive an invoice from a vendor. From there, go to Suppliers to open your supplier directory. This list helps you keep bills neatly organized against each vendor, which makes finding histories, balances, and contact details much easier later. Next, select the supplier you're recording the bill for. Picking the correct supplier keeps the ledger tidy and ensures any default settings, like currency or tax treatment, carry through to the bill form. With the supplier open, click New to start a fresh document. You'll see a familiar entry screen where you'll fill in the bill details. Choose the option presented here, labeled Sales Invoice in this view. This opens the same style of form where you'll enter the supplier bill information. Now, enter the due date. Use the payment terms shown on the supplier's invoice. This is crucial for cash flow planning and for Xero to surface reminders at the right time. Add a helpful reference next. The supplier's invoice number is deal. It makes searching, matching, and audit trails straightforward. If the supplier provides a purchase order number, you can include that in the reference or description as well for extra clarity. Now, complete the item details. Add the item or expense line, including description, quantity, unit price, and select the appropriate expense or cost of sales account. Double check the tax rate for each line, especially if some items are taxable and others aren't. Make sure the totals on screen match the supplier's document. If you have the PDF or image of the invoice, it's a good idea to attach it on this page so everything is stored together for future reference. When you're happy with the details, choose Approve and Email. Approving posts the bill to your accounts payable, so it appears in your bills list and reporting. The email step lets you share a copy, whether that's to the supplier, a manager for visibility, or simply to your records. Finally, click Send. After sending, the approved bill will show under Awaiting Payment, ready to be scheduled and reconciled when you pay it. That's it. Review the totals, confirm the due date, attach the source document, approve and send, and you're all set to keep your payables clean and current in Xero.